Be honest for a moment. Look at how your days are going. You wake up without a clear plan. You scroll more than you create. And by the end of the day, you feel busy, but nothing important actually moved forward. Then a month passes and nothing changes. Same habits, same distractions, same life. But the next 30 days can be enough to completely change your direction. Not through motivation, through structure and discipline. So today I'm giving you a 30-day life reset challenge. Follow these steps for the next month, and your life can start moving in a completely different direction. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Eliminate distractions. If you're serious about this challenge, this step is critical. Your attention must be protected. Your focus is constantly being stolen. Endless scrolling, video games, adult content. Hours disappear every day without you realizing it. So for the next 30 days, remove the biggest distractions from your life. If Instagram, TikTok, or any other app is not helping you build something meaningful, delete them for the next 30 days and reduce unnecessary content consumption. After watching this video, you don't need to keep watching more self-improvement videos either, because at some point, learning becomes another form of procrastination. Now it's time to apply, create more than you consume, and avoid instant gratification habits like porn or other dopamine addictions that drain your energy and attention. For the next 30 days, your attention should go into building your life, not escaping from it. Step 2. Choose one direction. The first mistake most people make is trying to improve everything at once. When everything becomes a priority, nothing gets real attention. So the second step of this challenge is simple. Choose one direction for the next 30 days. Pick one goal that can actually move your life forward. For example, work out 20 days this month, study 4 hours every day, or learn a valuable skill. Just make sure the goal is clear and measurable. Now you might be thinking, I don't even know what I want to do. If that's you, do this. Take a notebook and write down 4 things that genuinely interest you and could improve your future. Then test them. Spend 1 week focusing on the first option. Give it real effort. Learn about it. Practice it. See how it feels. Then move to the next option and repeat the same process. By the end of those 4 weeks, something will become clear. One of those areas will feel more interesting and natural. That's your direction. Once you find it, commit to it. Step 3. Build non-negotiable routines. Once you've removed distractions and chosen a clear direction, the next step is building daily actions you follow every single day. Because real progress doesn't come from occasional motivation. It comes from consistent daily actions. During this 30-day challenge, 2 things become non-negotiable. First, your morning and night routines. Your morning sets the direction of your day, and your night prepares you for the next one. So during this challenge, follow the exact morning routine and night routine I've already shared on this channel. You'll find the links in the description. These routines help you start the day with focus and end it with clarity. These habits are not optional. Your morning routine, your night routine, repeat them every single day. Step 4. Track your progress daily. The final rule of this challenge is simple. Track your progress every day. Most people quit challenges because they can't see their progress. So during these 30 days, track your work daily. Use a notebook, a calendar, or a simple checklist. Every time you complete your tasks, mark it. To make this easier, I've created a simple habit tracker for this challenge. Use it to track your daily tasks, your routines, your focus work, and your progress. Your goal is simple. Don't break the chain. Once you start seeing those days stacking up, you'll naturally want to keep the streak going. And once a week, take a few minutes to review your progress. Look at what you completed. Look at what you skipped. Then adjust the next week accordingly. Because improvement doesn't come from random effort. It comes from consistent effort that you can actually see. Now you have the full challenge, but doing it for 1 or 2 days won't change anything. The real transformation happens when you stay consistent for the full 30 days. So if you're starting this challenge today, make it real. Go to the comments and write, "Challenge accepted." Because the moment you write it, the challenge begins. And 30 days from now, you'll either be in the exact same place or you'll be proud that you started today. Start now. Subscribe.